All right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to I think is going to be one of my most favorite videos I've ever made. I, I had the bright idea of wondering what it sounds like when Donald Trump ejaculates. And then I got to thinking, what does it sound like when all of these fucking chuds ejaculate? This is the sick shit that runs through my mind. This is what the fascists call degeneracy, ladies and gentlemen. You're about to hear some degenerate noises. So these are my impersonations of what it sounds like when some of these right-wingers finally reach climax. So we'll start with Trump. Oh. I don't know if I can do this. All right. All right, here I go. Oh my god. Tremendous. Oh, it's tremendous. Oh, I wish you're my daughter. I wish you're my daughter. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay, now sign this non-disclosure agreement and get the fuck out. You're disgusting. Alright, so that's Donald Trump. Oh, Jesus. Alright. What does Ted Cruz sound like when he ejaculates? Oh, Jesus, I gotta start over. Alright. This is such a stupid fucking video. Holy shit. Alright. Alright, this is what Ted Cruz sounds like. Okay. Okay, I think I'm done. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright. So, that's what Ted Cruz probably sounds like. Oh my god. Alright. This is a sturgeon of a cod. Oh, that's... Oh yeah, keep it going. Oh, keep it going. It's just like the Western tradition. Yes, the West is the best. The West is the best. Oh yeah. Brexit. Fuck yeah, you fucking social justice warriors. Oh. Yes, I do realize the irony. Sargon of a cod coming to social justice warriors, but I think he really does. I think he gets off on it. He rants about it so much. I think the dude actually gets off on it. I'm an empiricist. I'm an empiricist. I'm an empiricist. Fuck black people! Free market! Oh, yes! Free market! Shit! Alright, that's my Stefan Molyneux. Yeah, fuck this guy. I didn't have a good one for him. Okay, this is what Jordan Peterson sounds like when he comes. Oh my. I feel an overwhelming sense of impending doom. That was so traumatic. I never want to touch a vagina again. Alright, so that was, I think that's it. Is that it? Is that all of them? No, that's not all of them. Shit, I have a lot more people on here. Fucking Paul Joseph Walton. Yep, that's what Paul Joseph Watson sounds like when he comes. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, golly, oh. Alright. Oh, man, I'm getting a headache. I can't keep doing these. This is the worst video I've ever made, ladies and gentlemen. I'm surprised you've made it this far. If you're watching. Oh, what the? Alright, where's my Bill? I gotta get my Bill O'Reilly voice. Alright, we'll do it live. Alright, that's more of my Chris Hansen impersonation, but it'll work. We'll do it live! Oh, God! Oh! We're doing it live! Oh, we're doing it live! I hate black people! Oh! Oh! Oh, okay, I've made a mess. We'll have to do this live. Fuck. I made a mess. Alright, that's my Bill O'Reilly. Alright, my Ben Sharknado is gonna sound very similar to my Ted Cruz. Hey. Hey. Alright. Oh my God. Alright. And then, of course, we've got Jeb Bush. Oh, please. Oh, please clap. Please clap. Oh, you're a good little moose. Oh. Call me Mr. President. Oh, call me Mr. President. That's Jeb Bush when he comes. Wait. What the fuck is going on? Alright. Last but not least, an old legend on this channel. My arch nemesis who is in the land of the dead, but nevertheless, he's my nemesis. Elliot Rodger. If he did lose his virginity, this is probably what it would have sounded like. Oh, you fucking femoid. Oh, you fucking femoid. I'm not gonna thank you for taking my virginity because you should have just done it anyway. Well, I guess my life is complete. I'm not an incel anymore. That's great. I think I'm gonna be put in the Hall of Fame for my orgasm impersonations. This is the worst video I've ever made, and I understand completely if you want to unsubscribe from my channel after watching this fucking atrocity. But I had a fun time making it, and I think that's, all that matters. It's all about me, ladies and gentlemen.